Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's day 19 of Vlog Every Day in April, and today's quick video is going to show you where to go if you want to edit photos for free. And this is the website that I use to create all of my thumbnails for free. So this should be another quick one. I'm not going to teach you in depth how to use this. I'm just going to show you where to go and some of the features that I use. So let's switch to sharing. Okay, so the website you want to go to is pixlr.com, and I'll leave a link in the description below. It's pixlr.com, and you'll come straight to this screen. Photo editor, animation, and design. So I don't know much besides the basics to this. There's probably a lot more to do here than I do. The first thing you want to do is either quick and easy design or advanced photo editor. I usually just click on quick and easy design because that's pretty much all I need this for. Now, down here I have my templates. So every day when I record my videos, I just go to the template and update it for that day's video. But for this, we will go to Create New, because that's what you'll be doing. So all you got to do is click on Create New here. And to do a thumbnail, you want to be wide 1080p because YouTube thumbnails are in widescreen. So I would always click on wide 1080p. I mean, if you want to do your thumbnail at 720, it'll still work. It'll just be lower quality. So I always do wide 1080p. So you click on that. Then you click create. And right here is your workspace, pretty much. And all of your options are on this side. So some of the basics that I use, obviously, is adding text, adding pictures, and stuff like that. So I'll just show you, you could click on add text. I would hit add new text, but you could use some of these templates. Click on add new text. And then right here, there are tons of fonts. Obviously, with the little crown, you have to pay for them, but there are tons of fonts that are free. So many. So you don't have to worry about not being able to find the font. And I guess if you really want one, you could just pay for it. So what you would do is just pick any font. So I could do elaborations, and then write in the text, just type whatever you want. So say like Vlog Every Day in April, and then you do everything here. Whatever you want the color of the text to be, you could select it. If you want a gradient, a pattern, like I said, I'm not going to get too detailed. You could change the size here. So pretty much everything you need to create a thumbnail is here. So text is pretty easy. You could add elements and images. You could crop and rotate. They have borders. But if you want to add a picture, that's pretty simple as well. You just drag it. So I have one on my other screen. I would just drag it over, drop it, add it to this current image, and it'll show up right there. It's a really large file, so you would have to crop it if you wanted to, but I could leave it like that if I wanted to. And then I would just drag this to the end because I want the text on top. And that's pretty much how you would go about creating your thumbnail. Just add your images, add your text, add your fonts, edit it. You could add borders. Again, this is not an in-depth tutorial because I don't really use this for more than just creating thumbnails, but I wanted to get you to a page that's free to create them. So my video is really just to show you all that particular, I guess, not trick, but this particular website. If you are creating videos and you're struggling to create thumbnails because either you can't find something free or everything is paid or you don't know how to do it, things are too difficult, Pixlr.com is really easy. Pixlr.com. Just go there, play with it. You'll be able to create thumbnails in no time. And like I said, the cool thing is every time you create something, it'll save it on the bottom as a template. And once you have all your templates, you don't really have to create your thumbnails from scratch anymore. The one thing you do have to remember, though, is if you clear your browser history, those will disappear. And I've accidentally done that a couple of times. So that's it for April 19th, Vlog Every Day in April, day 19. where to go to create a free and easy thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So if you have any other questions, let me know down below, any comments below. If you'd like me to maybe go into more detail on how I create my thumbnails, I could try, but like I said, when it comes to this website, I'm pretty much a beginner like you, and it works for what I need it for. Pretty simple thumbnails, graphics, and text. So like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you tomorrow on day 20 of Vlog Every Day in April. Peace, guys.